Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt, in case you don't know who I am. Welcome to this YouTube channel where we talk about day trading futures. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how day trading can be very easy money if you combat the number one problem. So, if that's something that interests you, make sure you go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe down below, and let's go ahead and jump into it. The number one problem, we're just going to go straight into it. The number one problem with day trading is risking your own money, right? You hear so many times, I see so many comments, so many DMs in the group chat, on Twitter, etc., of people who come in and blow their account, right? They put in $5,000 and in a day or two, it's just gone. They put in 10 grand, same situation, right? Sometimes they try and do like a small account where they put in like $500 or something and it's gone in an hour. That is the biggest, most common problem in day trading, right? Blowing up your account. And it sucks, but it's the truth. Especially while you're learning out, even as an intermediate person, it just can happen so quickly. It's very easy to happen. So, how can we combat the small account blowups or large account blowups? How can we combat risking your own money, right? I talk a lot about Top Step on this channel. I've done a lot of Top Step combines. You've seen me day trade it live on the different accounts. Here, we just finished up the 150K pro funded account last Friday. So we're waiting on our premium account, but I just got $5,000 from them in 3 days of trading. In 2020, they've had 2,000 funded accounts, over 2,000 funded accounts already. They're averaging $134,000 in monthly withdrawals in 2020. Those are some big numbers, right? So let's go ahead and talk about what those numbers mean. What is Top Step, right? Top Step is a company that if you pass a combine, they will give you money to trade with. I get a lot of people who have been trading for a year or more who come and are like, well, I already have a pro account or I already have a personal account. Why would I need to get with Top Step, right? And I'm going to show you the answer because I do it all the time, right? So, Top Step. These are the different account sizes. Right now I'm doing the 150K. It's $375 for the first month, right? I have links down below so you can get 20% off. So we're actually going to consider this to be $300 because I think that's what it actually breaks down to. So $300 for the largest account. What that gets you is $3,000 of daily loss limit. So $3,000 of drawdown. So in my account where I'm trading real money right now with them, I paid $300 initially. I've already gotten $5,000 from them. I was able to risk $2,700 basically of their money without risking any of my own money because all I'm doing is I'm paying that initial $300 and that's the only risk on the table that I have. No other risk. If I lose more than the $300 that I put in, they're eating the cost. They're handling that, right? They're willing to let me have $3,000 of drawdown because they believe I'm a good trader because I passed the 2 steps. So in order to pass those 2 steps, all you do is you have to hit that target. You have to prove you're a good trader by hitting the profit target, not hitting your daily loss limit, which is just risk management. Very simple, right? And following like the couple other rules like not trading during economic news and not trading more than 15 contracts on the 150K. So a lot of people are like, why would you do this if you already have a personal account? My direct and easy answer to this is it's a no-brainer, right? If I'm going to risk $300 and potentially make $5,000 or more very quickly, why would I not do that every time? Plain and simple, right? If I'm going to risk $300, get access to risking $3,000, right? So my $300, I immediately get access to risking 10 times that, so $3,000, and then I can keep 100% of my first $5,000 of profit, and then it's an 80-20 split after that. As I'm growing my accounts, getting bigger, more size, if I'm you and like I only had like $500 to put in, why would I not put in $300, get $3,000 worth of drawdown, which is way bigger than my $500 account to begin with, get access to multiple contracts to trade, and then be able to start growing from there. So this is the solution if you are looking for a way to stop blowing up your accounts, to not risk your own money, and to do it through a very legit company who has like paid out or funded 2,000 people this year already. We're only halfway through. They're averaging $145,000 of withdrawals every month. Why would you not do it, right? So if you're interested in doing Top Step, make sure you reach out to me. You can do that through the free chat, which is linked down below. But again, I just really want to let you in on something that I utilize all the time, and it really is a no-brainer from a standpoint of let me risk $300, get access to $3,000 worth of drawdown that I can risk-free essentially for myself, and then be able to trade a funded futures account out of that, off of just a $300 investment on the very largest size, right? I do recommend the largest one, given the market volatility right now. You do kind of need that drawdown, which is why accounts are getting blown up left and right if you're a small account person. So all that to say, if you're interested in Top Step, reach out to me on Twitter at TradesByMatt or on the free chat, which is linked down below. Shoot me a DM. But you can get 20% off if you click those links down below or the pinned message in the comment section. You can get 20% off on any of these accounts. So I wish you the best of luck in day trading. Day trading really is, in my opinion, the best way to get money out of the markets and almost out of life from a time to money perspective. And I want you to be able to capitalize on that in a risk-free manner like I'm doing every day. So I hope you have a great rest of the day. Make sure you subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.